Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Dasha, and I'm going to show you how I make these Pillsbury cookies. They're just the regular Pillsbury chocolate chip cookies. I feel like I finally perfected them to my liking. So I preheat my oven to 325 and let it get to 325. Then I spray my pan. Don't judge my pan. Some of the best food is baked on this pan, okay? So I spray my pan nice and generously so my cookies will come right up. And I'm just going to place them nice and neat on the pan.
Wasting my time, but babe, I'm gonna need that. Can't take a break, I'm losing some money. Look me in my face, you think this shit funny. I'm rapping with grace, the fuck you want from me? Put you in your place, boy, I'm going dummy. Niggas can't stop me, winning like I...
So once I have them spread it out and put them in the oven, I'm going to bake them at 325 once the oven says 325 and it's ready for 10 minutes.
Some number one hits got me filled with regret. I mean, why make some music?
10 minutes are up. You're going to want to let them rest. So this is how they look fresh out the oven. They still look kind of doughy. Let them cool. That's going to be the biggest thing. These are them cooled. Somebody ate two. That somebody is my husband. So he didn't let them cool. But I let them cool and they taste perfect. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. I've been doing this for the past couple days and people really like them once you let them cool. You can eat them fresh out the oven if you want, but they taste good either way. So thank you so much for watching. If you try it, comment it down below and let me know how you liked it. And make sure you follow me online.
But I got 50 cent, hit her with a Tupac, now I gotta make rent. Fucking I'm good, got them bent triple X for the water with juice, but there's no juice left. Wanna be a legend, but we losing the best, and I don't know about y'all, but I got a life left. And I'm not trying to trip while I walk up those steps. Like I just said, bitch, I'm doing my best. Going first class, I do not expect less. And if the bitch crash, gotta hope I'm blessed. And I know where I'm going, got a feeling in my chest. I can never sleep, you know I never rest. Hair looking crazy in my brain being messed, by the way I write the beat like I'm going on a quest. Cause I'm on fire, gassed up like a lighter. Yo girl, she a liar, that bitch is a biter. Beating beats like I'm a fighter, poetic looking like I'm a rider. Never miss hits like I'm a sniper, they catching my shit like a diaper.